Hello everyone, this is Amir. Sometimes we need to trim our video or cut a portion of video which we have already uploaded in YouTube channel. Sometimes we feel we don't need this portion or there may be something wrong, we need to cut this portion. So in this video I'll show how to trim or cut your video from your existing uploaded video. For this we have to go to YouTube Studio at first. Next we'll go to video. From here we'll choose which video we want to trim or cut. Just click on this. As example, I am using this video. From here, this is the option editor. Just go to editor. So this is our video. Now you have to decide which portion we need to trim or cut out. Then we'll click on trim, and I want to trim from this portion. I will select on this one and I will click on split. It's active now split. Now we'll select how far or which portion we need to trim, like from 2 minutes to 3 minutes. This portion will now automatically delete or trim out. We can see the preview from here. Our trim is okay or not, just from preview portion. We can see this. We can see this here. Just play it. If you think your trim is okay, you have to just click on save option and your job is here done. It will take around 10 to 20 minutes or sometimes more than this, but automatically it will just trim out this portion. You have to do nothing here. You can check out later. So this way we can trim out our YouTube uploaded video or cut out a portion from our video. This is really easy. If we need to see the detail, we can zoom from this option, and we can also add blur effect in this portion. We can change audio portion also. We'll show it in another video. For this kind of YouTube related useful tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.